Alright everyone, let me just show you what I do every day, how I scan my forex charts, forex pairs, and whenever I see a suitable signal here, then I jump on the focus time frame and I start to notice things, okay? I just want to see things that I notice of the pattern that I know, and what I see here is a possible formation of a double bottom, obviously with a neckline there. So I would still take a look on the weekly chart to see what I see in there, and I see also another double bottom here. Right, let's go back on a daily. This is the 4 hours, guys. So what I can say from here is that, for example, guys, I just want to mention something here that sometimes people think that after a strong move down on the first leg, they see a double bottom and they want to take it on the way up or retrace to a neckline. However, guys, when the trend is very strong, he does this leg here and then let another leg retrace, and at this point probably you could get a double bottom. Okay, so let it retrace, especially when the move is too strong. Right, so let's take it from there. And what will I do now? I will just mark the neckline there because that is first thing to be done. And also I would say that just keep on playing the chart. Obviously you will be looking at other pairs and see what you get from there. As I said to you guys, the retrace sometimes can be here if you want to take it on the way up. However, we got this level here, right? The wick is quite long here, and this wick here, it is this wick here. So it seems like it's retraced. But anyway, just for the sake of the example, if you would like to take a trade in there, which we would change to, let's say, green color, let's say a buy entry there, a buy stop, or you want to wait for a limit here, you put the stop loss in there, of course. At the break of this structure, which is the break of this structure, you'll see what you get in there. Obviously, the price-wise goes strong because people will try to sell, so they got a stop loss, and there is fuel for the institutions. So at this point, what you're trying to do is getting up quite all right. Okay, so it's a bit overextended, so we better mark some levels in there, and we see that we got this level here, which I like very much, to previous high. Okay, almost equal high, and then you let the pair go, and see when there is some bearish signs of getting back to the neckline on the way down. So at the moment it's just pushing up. I just want to see some signs of bearish signs. I don't even look at the H4 at the moment because I don't need to. I just want to see something that I like to see when the signal happens. Okay, I try to see two candle retracement, guys. Then what you do at this point, what you do is you get your beautiful Fibo from here to here, right? So from here to here. Now the retrace to 38.2% matches, aligns quite, not really exactly, but with this structural level. Okay, so at this point you could mark there if you want this sort of area like that, and possibly take it down. All right, let me see. Something like that. Okay, guys, so something like that, you would mark it like that, because you know that this is about 38.2 Fibo. However, guys, the real Fibo, because this candle structure in the middle, so what you do, the Fibo really should be from here. The 38.2 of 50% should be there. So at this point, that is the trick where some people fail in their analysis of the double top, double bottom. They say, oh, this is the neckline. Okay, a little bit structure here. I expect the move to the neckline on the way down. However, guys, if the pair is too strong and too extended, then the move should be on the next structure level. Maybe it could be around here, around this point here, okay, here. But the move has been strong now. So let's do the case when we would possibly get a retrace to here, which is a 38.2%. Right, so I would play the chart on the way down. As I said to you guys, sometimes, well, most of the time is mark the POI, because I want to see some movement. When the price retraces, indicator only indicates. Let's say that I want to put like a sell limit in there on the retrace. Basically the price should take me down if he ever fills me. If not, I mean, I don't really have to In fact, I was not really, it's already reached there. So for me, really, to get this right, I should have been on the 1 hour chart and get this right. But as I said, I'm not really interested in that, because now this 38.2 has been touched. There is a nice level that many traders watch. So I would play that. And if he wants to go, okay, he does double shake up and down. And then, all right, so would it be a nice chance now to take the trade from there? Yes, of course, because guys, what you do, I use the Fibo now on the other way around, because possibly a slingshot on the way up. So I take it from here or there, and for me, right guys, okay, 1 second, because I like to add something in there. It should have been there, but all right, let's do that. Minus 0.618, and then it should be visible there. Right, so it should have been in red, but it's okay. So these are the possible levels, where the possible target levels, okay? Nice levels used by also trading firms, institutions. Okay, so we get rid of the Fibo in there. And what do I start to see now? I want to take basically a retrace on the way down. So let's get this one before, and I will get an entry there. Obviously the stop loss will be around there, and I will see what I get in there, if I ever will get filled. If not, that means I will have to possibly go down there. It's not obviously exact. Sometimes slingshot guys, obviously don't expect want a strong move up, don't expect a strong move like that and send slingshot. All right, at this point it will do all this retracement, its things. So we have to be patient about it and see what we get in there really. So it looks like there is getting filled. It doesn't want to go to neckline anymore. Okay, this one is making a move that is higher than this point, and what we do, we just proceed. Let's make a bit short. I just want to see if it gets in there. All right, looks like an inverted head and shoulder. So you have to see some pattern that helps. I want to see if there is some market structure in there which coincides with minus 27. Okay, no point going forward. And 618. Look at that, another double bottom is forming. Is it gonna go down and then up? All right guys, the possibilities are endless. All right guys, so I just played the chart a little bit more just to see if he was reaching to this minus 618, and it did, and looks like the pair now retracing on the way down possibly. And guys, with this type of patterns, there are numerous possibilities. You just have to practice with it, and this is going to be so good once you get used to it. Have a good day for all of you, and thank you for watching. Take care.